In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform for beginners. Whether you're new to form building or just exploring different tools, Jotform provides a flexible and user-friendly platform to create and manage forms effortlessly. Let's get started by signing up for a Jotform account if you haven't already. The process is pretty straightforward. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a Create Form button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the Form Creation Hub. Here, Jotform offers you a choice. You can either pick a template or start your form from scratch. Choosing a template can be a real time saver, especially if you're looking for something quick and effective. Jotform's templates cover a wide array of categories, so there's likely something that suits your needs. If you choose to start from scratch, you'll see the option to drag and drop various fields into your form. This step is where the magic happens. When you drag and drop fields like name, email, or any custom field you need, it's all about creating the right flow and collecting the information most relevant to you. Try to think about the user experience as you structure your form. Is it easy to fill out? Does it ask all the necessary questions without overwhelming the respondent? That balance is key. Once you have your form fields nicely laid out, you can dive into customizing the design. While this step is optional, it's a great way to make your form feel personal or aligned with your brand. Jotform offers a range of design options, including themes, fonts, and color palettes. So go ahead and play with those settings until you get the look just right. Now, let's move to publishing your form. You'll want to navigate to the Publish tab. This section provides you with options to either copy a direct link to your form or obtain an embed code. If you're looking to share the form via email or social media, copying the link is the simplest route. However, if you intend to place the form on a web page, the embed code comes into play. Embedding the form on your site is as easy as pasting that code into your site's HTML, giving your users a seamless experience right on your web page. Lastly, once your form is live and responses start rolling in, you'll want to monitor and manage them. To do this, head over to the Submissions section. Here, you'll be able to view all the responses collected in a neat, organized manner. This functionality allows you to easily analyze the data, export it if needed, and gain insights from your respondents. By following these steps, you can create a fully functional, personalized form suited to your needs using Jotform. Happy form building, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful for getting started.